Hi guys, it's PS back here again with a video, and today after a very long time I'm back with a new unboxing. So today I'll be opening this new Attax reloaded smart pack. So this is the newly released Attax collection, uh, which has recently been released in India. So today I'll be opening the smart pack, which includes 25 packets for assured limited edition cards, um, two assured XL cards, one two-player game mat, and five surprise gifts. So inside you also get some scratch and win cards and the four assured limited editions cards are of Daniel Bryan, Drew McIntyre, Edge, and Roman Reigns, and the two XL cards which you'll get inside is of Charlotte Flair and John Cena. So without further ado, let's get straight into the opening of this smart pack. Okay, so here we have all the limited edition cards, and here inside you have a two-player game mat as well as 25 packets. So I'll be making two separate videos for this smart pack opening. In this video I'll be opening 10 packets, and in the next video I'll be opening the remaining 15. So first let's take a look at the holographic foil cards. Okay, so here we have the John Cena XL card. That's pretty dope actually. And next we have a Charlotte Flair XL card there. 84 defense, 87 attack, and that's a really nice pull. Here's how the back of the cards look like. Now moving on to the limited edition cards. Firstly, we have a Roman Reigns Silver Limited Edition. We have a scratch and win here. We have Daniel Bryan, Edge, and Drew McIntyre. And yeah. Moving on to the next 10 packets, which I'll be opening in this video. So let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll be opening 10 of these packets in this video and the remaining 50 in the next one. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So I'm moving on to the packets. Let's open the first one and see what we get inside. Firstly, let me tell you the foil card ratios. So there are 5 cards per packet, and power play PPV boosters 1 in 2 packets, championship or finisher cards 1 in 5 packets, and WrestleMania boosters, WWE icons, 100 clubs are super rare that are 1 in 10 packets. So hoping to pull at least one of them in this video. So yeah, starting off we have got Santana Garrett, Karrion Kross, Tyler Breeze, Dave Mastiff, and we have got Alexander Wolf. We've got the steel chair, trash can, British Bulldog, AJ Styles, and we have got Road Dogg Jesse James. Moving on to the third packet. We have got Vanessa Bourne, Velveteen Dream, Fabian Aichner, and we have got Kevin Owens holographic foil card there. So we are done with 3 packs. Moving on to the 4th pack. We've got Tegan Knox, Ligero, Kyle O'Reilly. We've got Mansoor Ali and the WWE Championship card. That's pretty dope actually. That looks super cool. The official WWE belt there. We've got Tommaso Ciampa, Kaylee Ray, Scarlett, Isaiah Swerve Scott, and we have got Shinsuke Nakamura. Moving on to the next packet, we are left with 4 packs, so let's just quickly wrap up this video. So we have got Shotzi Blackheart, Pete Dunne, Jordan Devlin, Dexter Lumis, and Shane Thorne. So there are a lot of NXT cards in this collection, as you can see. 4 of the cards in this packet were of NXT. We've got Matt Riddle, Johnny Gargano, Rhea Ripley. We've got Otis, Money in the Bank cash-in card. That looks pretty cool actually. And we have got this WWE Golden Icon card of Bret the Hitman Hart. And the foil, the holographic foil on that looks pretty cool. Moving on to our next packet. We've got the scratch and win. We have got Raquel Gonzalez, Damian Priest, Shirley, Ricochet, and we have got Danny Burch. Another card from NXT. So moving on to the last packet of this video. We have got Joe Coffey, Kushida. We have got Shorty G, Hell in a Cell card there. We have got Dominic Dijakovic, and we have got Roderick Strong. So yeah, this wraps up this video. We have opened 10 packs in this video, and we'll be opening the remaining 15 of them in the next one. Let me also quickly show you this game mat. So it's a pretty big one, and here you have got the checklist of all the cards. So you can pause the video if you want to have a look at the checklist too. And here is the how to play guide over here. So yeah, definitely be sure to pause the video if you want to read any of those instructions. So let me quickly show you all the holographic foil cards which we pulled in this video. So here are the foil cards which we pulled in this video. We have got Shorty G, Bret the Hitman Hart, Kevin Owens, Otis, Shinsuke Nakamura, and the championship. And these were the 4 limited editions and the 2 XL cards, which are pretty much loved in this new collection. So yeah, this wraps up this video over here. So I will be opening the remaining 15 packs pretty soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and stay tuned for more videos. And until then, have a nice time. Peace out. Stay home, stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.